The family of Hollywood director Rob Reiner and his wife Michelle announced their deaths Sunday. Law enforcement sources say the couple were found dead in their home in the Brentwood neighborhood of Los Angeles. The Los Angeles Police Deputy Chief said the Homicide Division is handling the investigation, but would not say if a crime had been committed.
Our detectives will be responding along with our Forensic Science Division and our Technical Investigation Division investigators to conduct a full crime scene investigation and determine the appropriateness of the investigation moving forward.
Rob Reiner is considered one of the best American filmmakers of all time. His directing credits included classics from several genres, including The Princess Bride, Stand By Me, A Few Good Men, and When Harry Met Sally. It was on that film set that he met and fell in love with his wife, Michelle. Before turning to directing, Reiner was an actor, most notably known for his role as Archie Bunker's son-in-law on the TV show All in the Family.
I mean, with or without protesters, this country would still have the same problems.
What problems?
Well, it's the war, the racial problem, the economic problem, the pollution problem.
Oh, come on, if you want to nitpick.
The role landed him 2 Emmy Awards.
I've often said, no matter what happens to me, I'll always be, I could win the Nobel Prize, they'll say meathead wins Nobel.
When Sydney's Jewish community came under attack by 2 armed terrorists, one man saved lives with this extraordinary act of bravery. Moving towards the gunman, he disarms him, turns the weapon on the perpetrator, and defends innocent people. CNN affiliate 7 News has identified him as a Muslim Australian who was also wounded in the attack. The man's bravery juxtaposed with horror and suffering on the first night of Hanukkah being celebrated in Bondi with a party in the park called Hanukkah by the Sea.
Horrible. I have no husband. I don't know where is his body. Nobody can give me any answer. That's it.
Your husband was killed in the attack?
Yes.
What we saw yesterday was an act of pure evil, an act of anti-Semitism, an act of terrorism on our shores. This was an attack deliberately targeted at the Jewish community.
Bondi Beach, home to a large and vibrant Jewish community, has been the scene of previous incidents of anti-Semitic violence. Incidents which have sharply risen across Australia and other parts of the world since Hamas attacked Israel on October 7th, 2023.
It's joyous days of the calendar, and to think that people plotted to target this event, came there with automatic weapons and massacred people in cold blood, I can't believe it. I think it'll take a long time for us to recover from this.
One gunman on Sunday was shot and killed, another shot and wounded and now in police custody. Police identified a car linked to the dead shooter, containing multiple explosive devices, indicating a thought-out attack which stole innocent lives and the joy of the Hanukkah holiday.